Oh yeah, on the phone when I was sleeping over.
Yes. Like, hold on. One time, like, she's like, I was like,
sleeping over at her house.
I was like, Elena, could Elena come with us somewhere? Like, oh, I don't have any money on me right now. I was like, oh, she'll pay for you. Oh, I don't really want her to do that. Oh, she said it's okay, but I don't really want her to do that. But Dana, she said it's okay. She'll pay. No, but I just don't want her to do that.
Yeah, what happened?
When he talked to my mom one time, like I was sleeping over at Simi's house, she just, she goes, do you have this? Yes. Do you have that? Yes. Do you have this? Yes. Do you have that? Yes. This, and then she keeps, I'm like, yes, and then she keeps repeating herself, and she goes, and then I'm like, bye. She's like, oh wait, bye. Oh wait, bye. Oh wait. And
I brought you some extra.
And then I'm like, okay, bye, Mom. Oh yes, just make sure. Did you get this? Yes. Bye.
You say I love you. Oh wait. That's right. Back to this.
What do I
So
say?
back to the whole.
Oh.
Your turn, Caitlin.
Like, what was I talking about?
The whole
Oh yeah. Like,
to go.
we were, like, she's like, so Simi asked your mom, right? Call her, make sure. I was like, okay, Simi, did you ask your mom? She's like, yeah, I already asked my mom. She said it was fun. I can go to the game. I can go with you. And Miss Ada's like, okay, well, spend your money wisely or whatever, because I'm paying for Simi. And then we're like, okay, so she asked her mom, right? And we're like, yes, Miss Dana, she asked her mom. She's like, all right. So, because I don't want to go over there and find out she didn't ask her mom, or she didn't want to go anywhere. She was just kidding. I'm like, call her and make sure. I'm like, okay, Simi, you asked your mom, right? Yes, my mom. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll call you when we're on our way. And we're like, okay, so she asked her mom, right? Yes, Miss Dana.
no.
She asked her mom.
That was so good.
She asked your mom.
Well, because me and Miss Dana are exactly the same. We want to make sure that everybody has permission to go.
But you don't have to ask 15 times.
We have to make sure.
15 times a minute.
We just have to make sure. I can't even see you. It's so dark in here.
Hi.
Hi.
She repeats herself. She tries to make a conversation, but she's repeating herself.
Did you? What did you say?
Did you brush your teeth?
Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah, I'm mimicking you.
Well, because I want to make sure you brush your teeth.
Did you brush your teeth?
You gotta brush your teeth. I don't go bzzz. I just said, do you brush your teeth?
Did you floss?
Brushing and flossing is healthy.
I don't floss.
Well, you need to. Yuck mouth. That's right. You get disease if you don't.
Well, you never
And then you
taught
get
me how
yuck mouth. Your dentist taught you. That's what I pay her for.
You pay her.
Caitlin's getting braces too.
I'm not getting braces.
You need something.
It's just two little overlapping.
You can get a separator
I don't
for
want
those two teeth.
This stuff
I don't
hurts.
like
This is
separators.
fine.
I don't want
Do
anything.
you even know what a separator is?
I don't want it to stuff in his hand. In my mouth going
Elena, all they have to do is just strap a
Does it hurt?
little
Yes.
wire on you. Elena, all they have to do is strap a little wire right here, and that's all.
That would look weird. It's just only on those two teeth.
No, on the back. Behind your teeth. You
That's
just
funny.
strap a wire and they
That
keep
was
it
funny.
Oh, one brace is on one little tooth. Have you ever
I don't want
You will have to get a separator first, or you can just.
You have to get a separator, then you have to get braces.
braces? Sometimes they pull off these.
I heard that the separators, they go around your mouth.
okay.
Like that. They go.
Okay, it's time
and
for
then.
your braces. It's time for your braces.
I read a magazine. And then there's some that go right here, and they have to go stick out like that.
You hear Elena? I know, Brian
And there's
Josh
some
can't
that you
even
can-
close his mouth. He's like, he can't close his mouth. It's so funny. He was sitting behind me.
Is that somebody at school?
Yeah, and I turned around and he's like, I was laughing. He's like, whoa, I'm like,
Whoa.
he can't close his mouth. I'm like, Mom, I don't want braces. People can't close their mouth. She's like, don't hurt me. He always close his mouth. She's like,
My mom says wherever got glasses, get contact. She's like, she said that,
you need wires?
Caitlin's getting contacts, right?
Maybe.
You know, I thought you wanted contacts.
I do.
But
I like it better without her glasses.
she looks different without her glasses, huh? She looks totally different. Take them off.
Yeah, I think that she looks a little better without her.
You said she looks better without her glasses. Those are your friends.
Hi.
Hi.
And like it's like if you go to the dentist, they're like, you need braces, and then they go, okay, what color do you want? I want. And they start working on you right away.